How to fix PUBG error 25 BattlEye corrupted data in Steam on Windows. 1. Delete the BattlEye folder at /program files /Steam library /Steam apps /comment /PUBG /TSL game /binaries /Win64 /BattlEye. 2. Verify integrity of game files. 3. Delete remnant files at /program files /Steam library /Steam apps /comment /PUBG /users /username /appdata /local /TSL game /users appdata /local /BattlEye and /program files x86 /common files /BattlEye. Now, run sc delete bservice command as admin. 4. Remove and reinstall Steam for Windows.